and preferences with an international production quality. We have content pieces across 6 languages: Hindi, Marathi, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Bengali. We have content pieces in 7 genres: thriller, drama, action, comedy, satire, biopics, and reality. All this content has been specifically created with deep consumer insights into our viewing audience preferences. 75% of Indian internet users are millennials, and this is the audience that's increasingly watching content online. You will also see fabulous mix of content on our platform, equally rich in its offering for both male and female audiences. By the end of April 2018, just a month from now, we will have 20 original shows on ZEE5. And going forward, every month, ZEE5 will be launching 1 new web series in each of the 6 languages I said earlier, 1 new short film. Building on this momentum, by March 2019, we plan to have more than 90 original shows on ZEE5. But it's an exciting time for us, and hope that you're just excited to start exploring all this great original content on your ZEE5 app. Thank you, and have a great evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Is it the personal life or what is the situation? यहाँ पे हाँ नहीं मतलब मैंने हिंट दिया था मगर इसके आगे जो भी आंसर है हाँ ऑन है हाँ
देखो मैं लड़का हूँ तो मैं अपने पर्सपेक्टिव से ही बोल सकता हूँ राइट आई डोंट थिंक इट्स ऑन या
Isn't it on? It is it actually. Can you just increase the volume for us? हाँ
वो है ना लड़कों की प्रॉब्लम
हाँ
देखो
Mike I'm not saying it. All right हाँ जी बोलो
बट देखो इसमें बहुत सारी ऐसी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं जो एक्चुअली मेरी लाइफ से आई हैं या मेरे दोस्तों से आई हैं
अच्छा
तो अब अनफॉर्चुनेटली मैं ओनली बॉयज स्कूल में
So
गया
birds of a feather flock together.
Exactly. तो मेरे दोस्त लड़के हैं और हम सबकी प्रॉब्लम्स इकट्ठी होकर यहाँ पे आई हैं इन कहानियों
अच्छा
में
जी all right.
वैसे भी 4 साल से हम दोनों एक दूसरे को घर में झेल ही रहे हैं ना
So you actually are roommates, flatmates.
We used to.
अच्छा अब कैसे बन गए
अभी
अच्छा
रिसेंटली गॉट
बैंड्रा शिफ्ट हो गया अभी
घर के पास
अच्छा okay all right and as an actor you know is it challenging for you to play such you know like grieved boys I mean these two have a genuine reason you know they went through this journey what about you have you faced similar journeys
नहीं बिल्कुल भी नहीं मतलब
बिल्कुल भी नहीं मैं तो बस सॉर्टेड बंदा
बॉम्बे का
ऐसे ऐसे
बॉम्बे का एक्सपीरियंस ऐसा है कि पहले बैचलर थे जब बॉम्बे आए थे तो घर वैसे ही नहीं मिल रहा था
हाँ
और जो कुछ शो में होता है वो रियल लाइफ में भी हो ही रहा था तो इट वाज लाइक वो अपनी स्लाइस ऑफ लाइफ अपनी लाइफ से ही आ रहा था स्लाइस
आई थिंक मैंने घर लेने के लिए किया है ये तो मैंने बेवकूफ़ बनाया आंटी लोगों को
अच्छा बेवकूफ बनाया
और
आंटी को।
मकान मालिकों
We're
को
actually going to come to another show जहाँ पे मकान मालिक है और टेनेंट है. We're going to find out about that show as well. वहाँ पे कितना कौन उल्लू बनता है ये भी हम जानेंगे यहीं पे इसी मंच पर. So tell us, you know, your story behind, you know, life सही है to what's on है, promise on है.
हेलो
हाँ हाँ.
या लाइफ सही है के बारे में मैं क्या बोलूं लाइफ सही है सीजन 1 was
जी.
such a big hit
Right.
amongst the youth.
Huge hit,
Yeah,
yes.
it was a huge hit
Yeah.
and it was created by Tarun.
Right.
The entire credit is to
Yeah.
Tarun and Love sir.
Right.
Love Ranjan who's
Right.
the director of season 1 and Ankur Garg.
Right.
So I was very happy to do it when the season 2 came to me.
Right.
So it was very exciting, that's all I can say.
Superb. Okay, I have to ask you this. You know, look at the title. You know, and then you've got the tagline. So I'm going to refrain from you know saying the tagline. One of you say the tagline and tell me ये ऐसे ideas आते कहाँ से?
बकचोदी का नया ड्राइव
Correct.
ये बोलने में क्या शर्माना
अरे
It's a very common.
हाँ मतलब this is not streaming on Z5 yet. So you see
ये वाला
this
तो
con-
ये अब Z5 पे है
अच्छा जी.
देखो मुझे कोई शर्म नहीं है मैं बकचोदी जितनी बार बोलूं मैं उतनी बार बोल सकता हूं
Mr. Goenka, do you have any thoughts on this? All right. You know, so do you have any pressure for season 2 because season 1 was such a hit? Do you find
या
it
फॉर
to be-
मी यस
A
For
lot.
you? Yeah, a lot, a lot.
them- We are yeah.
Ankur, you?
प्रेशर तो है ही है बिकॉज यू नो सीजन 1 इतना बड़ा हिट था यू हैव
हाँ.
टू deliver something which is equally good or better.
Right.
So उस pressure में तो बनाया ही है, but वो pressure तरुण पे ज़्यादा था.
आई थिंक बहुत प्रेशर भी है बट एक तरह का कंफर्ट जोन भी बन जाता है ना
प्रेशर भी है, प्लेजर भी है.
यार ये किसी भी चीज को गलत साउंड करा देते हैं यार
आपका शो ही कुछ ऐसा
हम खामखा बदनाम हो रहे हैं यार
फालतू में आप जाके शो देखिए. हाँ.
बट नहीं देखो प्रेशर तो डेफिनेटली है कि हाँ उतना सक्सेसफुल होना चाहिए
Right.
बट एट द सेम टाइम हमें पता है कि हमारा जोन क्या है एक कंफर्ट लेवल है हमारा काम करने का तो वो बेनिफिट भी है दोबारा वापस आने का बाकी तो
Lovely.
रिजल्ट्स बताएंगे कि कैसा रहा
Absolutely. And we're counting. We're counting, right?
आंसर दैट
Censor board. There is no censor board.
Right. So how does that affect your
No,
sensibilities?
I think what happens is, as a writer or as a creator of the show, Tarun does not really have to worry about the limitations. कि क्या जा सकता है क्या नहीं जा सकता. But since we are also into filmmaking, that is something which our writers and directors on the film are always worried about. कि censor board इसका क्या करने वाला है क्या नहीं करने वाला है. Other than the censor board side, digital पे आपकी audience is much larger.
Right.
You know, the paying audience which actually goes to theaters is much lesser than what you could actually get on digital. So वो
Right.
advantage तो है ही है. There is a lot, there's a bigger audience that you can reach out
Right.
to. So,
Right.
yeah.
So that's the thing. And the last question is, I mean, look at this right wing. You'll see a lot of actors, all right? And actors is the one community is always asking for work. So if you had to cast a fourth Bakchod, would you pick anybody from
Yeah, we
the
already,
right side
we
in
already,
general? Like
we
the
already have a few in our mind which are there in the.
Oh, you already
yeah,
do?
Yeah, we already have a
So
few.
season 3?
Yeah, yeah. See,
On season 5.
Yeah.
Super. Thank you, everybody. Could we have a huge round of applause? And you're going to answer truthfully.
Yeah.
So you need to take an oath that everything you're going to say the truth and nothing but the truth.
Yeah, true.
Yes?
Yeah.
Okay, good. All right. Toughest pair to work with.
Sorry?
Toughest pair to work with.
जरूरी नहीं आई मीन कि आई मीन देयर विल बी अ टफेस्ट पेयर आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ द पीपल हु हैव वर्कड ऑन दिस शो
आप को-प्रोड्यूसर हो, पता है?
are
खर्चा है, हर
I will
मिनट
tell
का
you
खर्चा है.
I will tell you the interesting pair
हाँ
that
जी.
was to work with.
I'll ask you the interesting. No,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Tell me the interesting.
I think I mean, while every episode has
Right.
its unique element, the kind of pairing we have done, be it Kailash Kher or Raja Kumari.
She's crazy, right,
Yeah,
Raja Kumari?
yeah.
She's mad. She's amazing.
No, also I think it's a very unique combination. No
Right.
one thought that Kailash Kher can collaborate with Raja Kumari and
Yeah,
create the.
two
I mean, you'll hear the
opposite genres.
You'll hear
Yeah.
the songs. Those are some mad songs they
Okay.
have made. And I think other than that, Raftar and Tychodam Bridge, because Raftar for the first time has done rap in his mother tongue,
Oh, wow.
which is Malayalam,
Malayalam.
and not Punjabi,
Yeah.
which everyone confuses him
Yeah,
with.
yeah,
So
yeah.
that's another. I think for the first time, people will see Raftar rapping in his mother tongue on Z5.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, was there a pair you were very skeptical about?
No, I think it was all good fun.
Yeah,
There's
like
no-
it was intuition that you worked on.
Nah, I
Okay,
think
so-
all of the pairings which we have done along with the Z5
Right.
team were very well planned. It was
Yeah.
not about just कि ये artist इस date को free है, ये इस date को free है, let's do the pairing.
Nice.
It wasn't that. In
It
fact,
was
we had to
actual-
move the show a number of times, the schedule here and there, because we wanted that fixed pairing to be done
Oh,
on
wow.
that day. Yeah.
Okay, that's a good insight. Okay, was there a surprise pair? I think you mentioned that, Kailash and Rajakumari
Yeah,
for you,
yeah.
right? The surprise pair.
I think surprise for us was we being able to pull down 2 music videos in 24 hours,
Yeah.
which we tried to convince Stage and the entire team that नहीं होगा,
Yeah.
एक ही करेंगे. 24 hours, you can't do 2 songs,
Yeah.
create 2 songs, create 2 music videos.
Right.
But when I look at the AV, I think the team here,
Is this
Rahul.
the first time you are seeing this trailer?
No, we have obviously
You-
worked on that.
okay,
yeah.
so you've
but
seen it
I think
before.
my team here, Rahul, Shai, and Kunal, they have done a great job in pulling this together. Yeah.
Lovely. Okay, what was you are a writer yourself. So, firstly, how many stories did you feel like, or rather your story itself? So, how interesting was it to actually pick up a story from your life, collaborate, and bring it to life?
The tougher part was which story is can I share with
Yeah,
everyone?
correct.
Because not everything is legal enough to share. So
But it's Z5, it's digital. You can share anything.
yeah, but I have a family also, na.
Acha. Magar then it's up to them to decide if it's true or not, no?
Yeah, no, and also, I mean, what happens is that being in the business of telling stories and writing and also acting, you can never tell a fully real story,
Right.
you know, because you always tend to, garnish it with a little. So first fight was to fight that tendency to garnish a real story and just to
Right.
tell them, okay, this is what happened.
Right.
Now you tell me how much story you want to add to this.
All right.
So that was a very, very interesting process. And I like that thin line where is it real or is it not real?
Nice. Now, okay, so you said you couldn't, first there was like this huge question in your mind, which story should I share because family is watching? No problem. Switch off the cameras. Tell us a story now. Tell us one bizarre incident of your life.
One bizarre incident.
Just bizarre. And then we'll decide if it's true or false. Is that okay? Shall we try it? Yeah? Okay. Tell us one bizarre incident.
Okay. When I was 6 years old,
Okay.
I don't expect funny because this is not funny.
Yeah, I can see your face. It's not
I
funny.
I had a tuition teacher who was pretty strict.
Okay.
And he used to coach me in my summer holidays in Rajasthan.
Right.
So once I couldn't deliver whatever assignment he had given me. So he took me to the terrace and he had a stick and he whipped me and he said, you have to stand here till the sun goes down. And I was burning,
Yeah,
No,
Rajasthan.
actually, it was winter time, and in Rajasthan, the winters are chilly
It
as
hits your
like it
bones.
really pokes you.
Yeah.
So he said that you have to be here until no, it was actually rainy. I don't remember which one was it.
Okay, true story, false? True or false? Okay, give me a cheer if it's a true story. Says making this show, you've met a lot of celebrities, who came in and narrated your story. Tell me, who was the craziest?
यहाँ सुमित है तो मैं अभी सुमित के लिए बोलूँगा.
He's
He
actually
was.
Swara.
But the thing is, actors
Right.
have to put on a mask, have to tell lies
Right.
to make themselves believable. And, the beauty of this format is that while they are putting on a mask, that mask is themselves. So they're playing themselves.
Right.
So कितना दूर बच के जाएंगे हमें झूठ बोल के,
Right.
So,
Okay,
yeah.
can you reveal to us one celebrity whose story you still can't believe that it happened?
You have to see the show.
Okay.
And I promise you, every single story is going to leave you with that emotion.
Right.
Because like they say, reality is stranger than fiction, right?
Right.
Yeah. So it's.
It
it's
was
kind
also
of-
very
yeah.
funny receiving direction while we were shooting this
Right.
thing.
Because you're like, "Nahi, ye
when
meri
the
kahani hai,
director
yaar."
told you that, no, this is how you should react, and I was like, but
Meri kahani hai.
Okay, yeah. No. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah,
I'll react
okay.
like this.
Right.
Because
right.
he's thinking of the story.
Fantastic. Well, thank you very, very much for speaking to us. Give him a huge round of applause, Modi. And then Victor and Neha know me, I think literally from the first week I moved to Bombay. Like the first week I moved to Bombay.
Cobra.
Anshul and I have been friends for 6 years now.
कोबरा
You, the whole world knows.
कोबरा आपको कौन नहीं जानता?
जी, यहाँ पे कौन नहीं जानता?
Yeah, I agree to that.
No, that's very sweet of you guys. But yeah, just share with us, Manu Rishi, as an actor, you to refuse. As an actor, but as a person, you refuse to grow old. But here, you actually have to show a generation gap. What was that like?
I think that's completely there in the script.
Do you smoke up?
Even he doesn't know how to smoke.
Are
No,
you
but
serious?
it's fun. It's fun actually performing this kind of character.
Right.
because I've played my own dad, so I've reacted the way he used to react when I was a kid.
That is so
तो
cool.
ये फैमिली है, फैमिली का ध्यान रखना है,
हाँ.
फैमिली का ख्याल रखना है, उनसे पीछे भी नहीं हटना है. That's what
हाँ.
जनरेशन गैप अच्छा नहीं लगता जब आपको थोड़ा सा भी
हाँ.
अनकूल बना देते हैं,
हाँ.
बच्चे स्पेशली.
हाँ.
So the way writer and director Alok and Victor, both
Yeah.
of them, they have written, I think it's a fantastic thing which they gave me. So realistic
Right.
and interesting also.
Right.
Slice of life.
Right.
बाकी परिवार है यहाँ.
Yeah, no, and Anshuman was telling me what a fantastic journey it was to collaborate. Usually what happens is there is a script, it's a directive or narrative, and that's what you follow. But there was a huge collaborative spirit as a team. So please take your mic and tell us. अरे इतने सारे mics हैं यहाँ पे.
Good evening, everyone. Fantastic to be here. And Mr. Goenka, congratulations on such a fabulous platform. It's very seldom that This is my first experience. All my life I've grown on theatre and film, so this is my
Right.
first digital experience.
Oh, wow.
And where's Sumit Vyas? When I meet Sumit Vyas and my friends Naveen Kasturia, they are all big stars.
I think he
So-
should be in the next season of Lockdown.
Absolutely.
As well.
I think he should be in the next season of everything.
Everything. Yeah, that's it. Like-
So on this show, it was fantastic that Alok, who's written the show and who's not here, Victor, the director, Neha, the producer, Manu Bhai, Aisha ji is not here. She's an integral part. Avneet, I call her the Instagram queen.
yeah,
And,
we're going to get to her in a bit.
Bhavin. We all kind of got together. It was a process where we workshopped, we spoke. The script was open to discuss.
Right.
And I really believe script is the Bible, no matter what the medium is. And it's hats off to Victor and Alok and Neha for having given the kind of importance to the script and involving us actors in the process, which is why, honestly, I am lucky to be a part of this show and happy to be one.
Lovely. My next question is to Avneet. 1 million followers you have. 1.2. The last time we had 1.2 million followers on Instagram. All right. So, and she started 3 years ago. All right. So I don't understand how someone does that. Okay. Like in 3 years, you have 1.2 million people. Tell me something. I don't understand that about you. What is it that you don't understand about the generation that you
No,
standing here beside you? As an actor, as a story, as
इसने मेरी इतनी हेल्प की है पहले दिन ही she introduced me Instagram and now even I have like
now
some
he stalks me on
1282
Instagram.
followers 1282 in like 40 days of shoot. Not bad, no?
Not bad. Yeah. I've got like at least 500 likes. So I am sorted. Thank you, Mr. Rishi. I love you too. मुझे message आया. How do you think we got connected again after 4 years? Thank you, Avneet. Yeah, so tell us something that you don't understand about this generation. About this front row generation.
No, I'm very cool with my parents.
Yeah, you're very cool with
Yeah,
your
my
parents?
father is really cool. My
Yeah.
mom, yeah, she's like
What's
my best
the
friend.
coolest thing you can end up doing with your parents?
The coolest thing?
Yeah, like I'm not kidding you. I actually ended up sharing a joint with my mom, and it's true. It's true story, yeah? Okay.
I think for us Punjabis,
Yeah.
festivals are the best part.
Festivals are the best part. So
She makes the most amazing Instagram stories with her father. So
Yeah?
her father and her combine to do these musicals and these fantastic Insta stories.
Yeah, he's damn fun to be with.
so cool. That's brilliant, brilliant. So tell me something, Victor. You've been on kind of merging the two generations and giving it its own twist.
Actually, this is an idea of our writer, Alok Sharma. So
Okay.
he's not here. So it's about that one-line idea between bridging the gap between the two generations.
Correct.
Which is the 40 between 40 and 45 and between 90 to 24.
okay.
These two generations.
Okay.
So that's what when we written the script and when we got the go ahead from Z5 team,
Yeah.
we were thinking how to get the right actors to portray that, but to
Right.
get the gist of the roles and get the gist of the whole show right. And
Right.
then when we met each of them, and that's when it fell together. The moment we saw Avneet, we knew that she is our Nikki.
How did you cast a non-smoker to be a dope head?
I will come to that
Yeah,
last.
please tell us that. That's very
I'll
interesting.
Come to that last. And then Bhavin, who is again a brilliant actor,
Yeah.
as you will see when the
You
show
are a
releases.
fantastic actor.
That
Look at his smile, my
Look at his smile.
Look, actually, there were moments during the shoot that we would see that Manuji and Bhavin there, "Arey, tu to mujhe takkar de gaya. Arey, tu to mujhe takkar de gaya." It's that.
Oh, wow.
And also, you should see the camaraderie between Manuji and Anshuman. So, casting Anshuman was real fun. Like we
Yeah?
knew Anshuman entered our office. And said, "This is our Jamia," the name of the character.
Yeah, just look at him. I mean, he looks like a complete.
No, in the.
Oh, you've changed it, right?
Yeah.
The hair is the same, though. Yeah, pretty much the same.
Apparently, for the first time in how many 30 years, he has grown his beard and.
Yeah, it's a fact. I didn't shave for like 2 months.
You didn't shave for and some 30 years. This is the first time you've. Wow, that's so cool.
Yeah.
Neha, as a producer, who gave you the? As a producer.
Nobody. They're all very cordial.
Yeah, very cordial.
Yeah, we were all like a family, so it was fun shooting with them.
Yeah.
There was nobody I would say that they were a stress.
Gun भी carry करती थी 16 hours 17 hours I have
Gun
to
भी
go
carry
I have
करती
to
थी।
go okay you can't go you know that kind of
ये कौन सी अच्छा ओके हाँ
Gun है ना?
हाँ
It's
हाँ
like-
ओके सॉरी हाँ सॉरी it's like ये कौन सी गन है all right okay excellent so well I can't wait
Hot. I don't blame anybody. I will
Yeah?
not take it personally. I know
so
it's
just
very
clap
hot.
for me man I've been at this for a while now All right, okay. I'm very excited though about this content. All right. So first question to Naveen itself. Naveen, what is your confession about sleep for you? Like, do you sleep a lot? Do you snore yourself? You guys are best friends, right?
Can I answer it on his behalf, please?
Absolutely.
So Naveen is always late, always. Like if and it's usually sleeping, but not because he. I mean, I don't know actually. Why are you late always?
Why are you late, Naveen? You were late here too.
The question was about sleeping. Why are you talking about me being
Because
late?
Because
keep
you are
saying
sleeping.
that-
That's why you're late.
Oh, that's what he tells me. I mean, you know, if
I'm
we
a
go to
little,
events.
I'm a little slow. I'm a little lazy. So I take a lot of time in doing things. You know?
Acha.
So I take a lot of time when I sleep. I take a lot of time when I wake
Yeah.
up. So that's
Yeah.
the reason. But yeah, I sleep a lot and I sleep
And do you
late.
snore?
You sleep alone?
I sleep alone mostly, so I don't know if I snore.
You sleep alone mostly.
Why are you in love with a tomato?
I mean,
I don't understand. He sleeps alone half the time.
He's lying.
Okay. All right. Okay. All right. And have you ever encountered anybody as Mamaji? Like, my mom snores. It's really annoying. I have to go away to the guest room.
No, I
sometimes.
don't. I mean, I don't know if I snore, but
Have you ever encountered anyone who
yes,
snores?
yes, I have, and
Yeah.
I have, and I would generally wake them up.
Acha.
Yeah, there is a sequence in the show when, in the film, when I just wake him up.
Yeah.
That's what I do. You know, I don't care about other person's sleep if I'm unable to sleep, honestly.
Yeah.
So this is what I was trying to do in the show also.
Yeah.
But he would always get back to snoring. So I think, so if you
And were
watch,
these real snores? Like, like, did
that-
this guy actually go to sleep? Like, how was the mahol on set? Like,
On
did he
set? On
yeah,
set?
could he actually sleep if he wanted to?
he was trying to, but no, he was acting only, mostly.
Yeah, he was acting.
Yeah,
only.
yeah.
Okay, cool. Manvi, such a crazy love story. What was your first reaction when they offered you this story?
When I read the concept note,
Yeah.
I was like, this sounds damn abstract. I'm
Yeah.
not going to do it. But then I wanted to meet the director. I met Nishant
Right.
because I figured that, you know, it's so abstract a concept that
Right.
maybe if like given a good treatment, it can become interesting.
Right.
So I met Nishant and I just loved the clarity that he had.
Yeah.
He had a whole storyboard prepared for the whole. In fact, my first meeting, I was expecting it to
And
be
this
like
is
a
a
quick
short.
one. And this is a short. He's
Wow.
so thorough in
Wow.
his.
Producers, are you listening? Nishant is your next catch.
Nishant's not here. Nishant's not here.
No, this is producers. Are you listening? Nishant is your next catch. Like, I mean, imagine having like a storyboard even for a short. I think that's fantastic.
In fact, he went on talking about the film in such great detail, and I was like, मुझे इतना सुनना ही नहीं. I just wanted to meet you.
Yeah, and I just wanted to be sure.
Yeah, I just wanted to see what kind of a feel I get out of the project and him and the crew, and then the writer Jasmine, she was also fantastic.
Yeah.
So then I was like, you know what, I have to do this. There's so like, I mean, I knew that it's going to be something interesting that will come out of it.
Right.
So yeah.
Lovely. Could you ever be in love with somebody who snores?
Yeah. I've been in love with somebody
Who snores?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I think I still am.
Yeah?
I think you want names, no?
Give us names now.
Nobody knows it. There's no point.
Okay.
Oh.
So, Ram Dulari.
He's in love with the lesser mortals. Okay. Take it. All right. And, you know, just today I was browsing through Instagram and I saw ginger cats. So basically, gingers that looked like cats. And I was like, oh, because I really like cats. So has there ever been a real life incident when you picked up something and you said, "Arey, isme to meri maa ka chehra dikhta hai." I don't know, I'm just saying, like random shit. But like,
No, but I think potatoes have that all the time. Like,
they
you know,
do,
because-
right? They
yeah.
actually have eyes and features.
There'll be a
and-
stub coming out or whatever. You know,
Yeah. Has it ever happened to you that you've been like, oh, I won't cut this today? Has it ever happened to
No,
you?
in fact, it makes me want to cut it even more. I'm like, hey, I'm going to cut
Okay,
this
is
today.
this a thriller?
It is. It actually is a thriller.
Excellent. So, well, thank you very much for speaking. Pito, batao, yaar, you know, first of all, what has the digital medium done for you? I mean, you've been all over the world in the recent times, and then to come back and to be a part of this ensemble and to be a part of this digital journey, what is it like for you?
See, I worked in digital platform in America.
Mm.
I've finished a series there last year as well. but the basic you know जो डर है वो यहाँ इसीलिए था. Generally what happens because suddenly lot of digital you know things are coming up and then we compromise with the quality of it. So that's why, you know, before this one, I actually denied couple of digital series here because, yeah, it's like you come with 10 episodes, like 45 minutes each, then you don't have a budget, you don't have proper writing, you don't have script.
Actor के लिए budget. Thank you, Zee.
No, I'm talking about in terms of production.
No,
I'm
fair
not
enough.
talking about myself.
No.
So, this is, this...
See, Hollywood कभी नहीं भेजना चाहिए.
This came, it's a very...
I'm so mean.
No, what I mean is like this is a very small story they can, you know, come with and yeah, it's a small production but with a very intense and very interesting idea. So I thought maybe, and you know, I know the writer and everybody, so I said like, okay, let's start with this.
Yeah.
And I enjoyed it.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Fun. Excellent. So well, now Swasa, I think now. Hey, see, we're now at table number 5 only. So Swasa, you've been a writer, you're an author, you're a lyricist, you're a singer, you're a performer. So what is it like to play this twisted character? And I have to compliment you. They say that the camera makes, you know, adds weight to you. You look very fit in the show.
No, that was...
the phase.
No, that I was not well and then I came out and that for that look they cast me.
अच्छा
मुझे लगा था कि मुझे जब फोन आया तो मुझे लगा लॉकडाउन के लिए बुला रहे हैं क्योंकि मैं उसके काबिल हूँ लेकिन these people they called me and they said they want me to act and then there was this lovely story. Bhavesh, the writer, is here.
Bhavesh, you want to join us? Come.
Come.
Applause, yaar, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, beautiful.
I promise you
the... was the kidney patients. That's the similarity.
So that is definitely the most bizarre conversation I've ever had on stage.
So, no. So
we are both kidney patients.
No, you don't know how it is like.
Yeah.
We are alive here.
We can go on for an hour. No. We don't have that time.
No. So it was fantastic. They called me. They said, this is the story.
Right.
It's a beautiful story, twist in the tail kind of story. And yes, here it is.
Bravo.
And it's a fantastic medium. You can do experimentation like 5-minute film, 10-minute films, you know. Where do you get to do all these things, you know, apart from digital?
Yes.
So, and lovely Zee, congratulations for this because आप लोगों ने एक ऐसा विजन और ऐसा एक स्पेक्ट्रम तैयार किया है कि उसमें मैं अभी देख रहा हूँ कि सारे शोज एक के पीछे एक, you know, so variety of shows are there and everything, so it's very well thought out.
Right.
And congratulations everybody.
Hey, thanks a lot. Thank you very much. Finally, can we ask you the question? Otherwise, we'll just send you back. Mehman. नहीं आप तो बस मेहमान हो यहाँ पे.
And then you get to stand with
No, but it's
Raimasi.
very interesting because you know your story is always about the third person, right? So what does it feel like? I mean, you know, to kind of, you know, portray this wife who's actually happy with the husband. Yeah, but isn't.
Because she doesn't know. So
Yeah.
It's a bizarre concept.
Yeah,
And I thought-
exactly.
thought
I
it
mean,
was
we're
very
talking about
interesting.
bizarre concepts
Yeah.
on the stage right now.
And she doesn't know
Yeah.
what's going on. And that's
Yeah.
the beauty of the whole thing.
Right.
She's so innocent and naive to it all.
Yeah.
And it's completely bizarre. So I loved it because I like
Yeah.
bizarre things. And so I thought it was quite interesting. It was
Yeah.
fun playing it. I was in Calcutta, my hometown.
Right.
And my co-stars were very good
Yeah,
actors
very,
from
very
Bengal.
good actors, yeah.
So yeah, it was great shooting
Prominent
with them.
actors, very well, prolific actors, yeah. So tell
And
me.
she looks so pretty in the show.
Yes,
Fantastic.
you do.
Just
Swasa
because
is
you met
very
me
kind.
After like 10 years maybe. That's all.
Swasa is like that. No. But you do look very pretty. Rama, tell us one bizarre story or one bizarre incident while you were shooting this. Do you have one bizarre incident while you were shooting? Because I've had bizarre
shot-
incidents in Kolkata in general. Like Kolkata in general is like a bizarre town for me.
Nothing really. We just shot in a very short period of time. It was just maybe like 2 days. We finished the whole short film. Wow. But yeah, no, nothing out of the ordinary.
No, nothing out of the
Unfortunately,
ordinary.
no.
Yeah, no? All right.
They just give us one day, by the way.
Us 2 days, thank God.
हॉलीवुड मत भेजो यार हमारे लोगों को हम भीड़ के आते हैं यार ओनली वन डे दे के बस मगर मैं जा रहा है तुम्हारे साथ मैं भी आ रहा है इसके बाद ऑलराइट could we have a loud round of applause table number 5 standing we're going to stand we're going to be cool comfortable standing so let me just ask Tanmay we were having this conversation before we started the show when you said as an actor as a performer you are in this lust for search, you know, and this lust for good characters to play. So how enticing was this character and what made you say yes?
I mean, you've answered the question already, actually.
The lust?
The lust. No, but it's...
See, it's amazing how I can use these words at a corporate show.
Yeah. You would never, I would never, looking like the way I look, be able to play an action hero in anything else.
And you did.
And so that was it. Like when Q said to me, he'd actually told me about this when we were shooting something else completely.
Okay.
And he told me about this show. I was like, yeah, that sounds very cool. Yeah, I have this friend who can do this and stuff. And he's like, And then later on he's like, listen, I'm pitching, it's you. I'm like, I can't do it. And I mean, have you seen me? And then he said, no, you have 2 months. You have 2 months to train. I said, give me 6 months, I can do it. He said, no, you have 3. So I trained for 3 months and then...
Bad negotiator, Q.
Yeah, so it was a lot of fun.
Actually, very good negotiator. You should be Z's family, actually.
Actually, it's quite interesting that we're working with the platform, and I don't normally do commercial gigs. But
Yeah.
this one was very weird because really Z5 asked for what we are into. I was dying to do a show with real MMA fighting.
Wow.
And when Nikhil and Tarun came up and said that we want to do this, that it was a great experience to actually have people supporting you.
Yeah.
Who are actually, I mean, Nikhil is a fighter himself. He used to do a lot of
And
this
he's just
shit.
like...
So it was good
Right
fun
now.
because we all learnt a lot of fighting.
Yeah.
I can
So what
kick
was
your
it
ass
like
now.
to... So what is it like to train for an action sequence like this? But there's also so much, what do I say? So much lovemaking or whatever that we see out here. So what is it like to prepare for a role like this? Like how mentally disconnected and connected should you be to be able to create that kind of work?
Actually, that's a very good term you just used, connect and disconnect. First of all, I didn't have time, that much time to prepare because I was cast literally.
You were given 3 months, she was given none.
2 days. I was cast 2 days before the
yeah.
shoot.
This is budget issue.
No, nothing of that sort. That was pretty sorted. But yeah, I think what actually helped me particularly was that I was actually we were all staying in one house together.
Right.
The house that is shown as my house in the show.
Right.
And so we had a lot of time to bond, and so it just went off very naturally. It was easy. It was good. Thanks, Q.
Does he snore? Is the next question. All right, I guess...
Okay, we didn't like sleep together. We were just staying together.
Okay, all right. Okay, and Hina, I mean, as a producer... Hina's not here, sorry.
She's broken her rib.
She's broken.
Should we pass?
Experimenting, you know, a bold subject like this, because it's based on true incidents. What makes you say yes to a project like this, and what's your view on the whole digital envelope?
See, she got 2 days. I got only 1 day. I auditioned and I was like flying next day.
Yeah.
So there was zero preparation.
Wow.
But I believed in Q.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Q?
I mean, Q. It is very bad.
That's a very bad joke. I need the bar right now. I understand. I'm with you.
So when I was auditioning for this, he gave me one line.
Yeah.
And I was like, I don't have any doubt. Whatever he want to narrate, I'm fine with it. I'm on board.
Yeah.
That was my take on it. That's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
Fun? Excited?
Yes,
Happy?
of course. Of course.
Thrilled?
I shouted there, so that was only me.
It's unbelievable. Q's
Yeah,
like, she got to die on the show. So thank you. The suspense is over. Excitement to play yourself in your own story.
I don't know, it's really hard.
Isn't it? It's really hard.
You know, when I signed this, I thought, oh, okay, great, this is a great idea. And doing
Did you
it,
ever think he was crazy when he came to you with with this narrative?
No, I didn't think it was great. I was already knee deep into it, so
Yeah?
yeah, it was probably one of the hardest journeys I've ever had in my life is
Yeah.
to redo
Your whole journey.
everything
Yeah.
that went great and also that went very wrong.
I guess time and again we used to have discussions where I used to look at her and I was like, you know, you've put yourself in it.
Yeah.
And there are times where we would do scenes, but to detach yourself,
Right.
knowing that because there sometimes is what you believe,
Yes.
how you are, and how people perceive you.
Yeah.
So the balance
Yeah.
was something which.
Yeah? Sorry, but I have this I mean, this is completely off what's here, but tell me how many times during the filming of this biopic, this series, did you feel you were not acting at all?
Most of it. He's like, okay, you have to cry. I'm like, it's no problem because
Yeah.
I actually feel really sad. It was, again, one of the hardest journeys I've ever had in my entire life.
Yeah.
And I think only someone very ambitious wants to go through everything that they've gone through in life that's, you know.
And go through it again.
Why would I want to do that to myself? Choices where they're not hurting someone, not stealing from someone, not cheating somebody, and not hurting themselves. And I don't think that I'm anybody to judge what my children would want to do with their lives.
You know, the spans of this journey has been from Canada, right? So how do you set and put this on paper? And how did you convince your team that budgeted for it? How did it work out? It's not easy. Let me give you this.
It's definitely not easy. I mean, like, but. All right. So it definitely wasn't easy, but the support of, as I said, I give the credit to the whole team, from the writers to our producers and to the whole Z5 team. You know, so for making it come true and giving us all the support, because the story goes from Canada to LA to India. So the technical support and the vision, you know, of narrating so many timelines, right from back 1981 to 1994 to 2003 to 2017. So recreating all those timelines only happened due to the support of the whole team.
Yeah, and I just want to say that Karan, who's right there, he spent months with me on my couch, crying with me, laughing with me, smiling, being sad, being angry with me, me explaining so many different stories, so many different things that happened in my life. and you know it was really really difficult for us. We sat there for so many months talking about everything that happened in my life, and I think out of all the people in the world, I think he really did explain my story exactly how I would want to tell everybody here.
Wow. So let's hear it for Karan, and actually let's invite us. Please come now. Please
Oh, I
join
just
us.
want to say that we did fight a lot.
Yeah, we did?
A lot.
Yeah?
We fought
Yeah.
a lot, we laughed a lot, and we fought even more over the story. But I
Wow.
think it's come out really well.
Yeah. So tell me, I'm just very intrigued, you know, why and how Sunny Leone as a biopic? And how did that happen? Like, what was the emotional connect you had with Sunny before you actually took this as a story, as a narrative to Sunny?
Okay. So
He's like, no, no, I don't want to talk about it.
So I would say this, that I was lucky to have been approached by the producers.
Nice.
Shaheen, Kishore, Akash. And
Right.
Joy.
Where are they? Why aren't they here?
They gave me they came up with the idea to me.
Right.
And
What was your reaction? You know, we asked Sunny her reaction. What was your reaction?
My reaction was, I remember instantly feeling that I get to narrate a story of a woman who did everything what she wanted to do in her beliefs.
Right.
Which itself is something which needs to be told out there. That, you know, like I said, that it's about Karanjit Kaur.
Right.
And that was the beauty of it, that
Right.
everyone knew the life of Sunny Leone.
Right.
But no one knew Karanjit Kaur.
Right.
Or where she came from, what
Right.
made her take
Yeah.
the decisions that she's taken. What,
And it's actually never been spoken of, really. You know, it's a very...
Well, I think that there's a picture in everybody's mind out there
Mind,
of
yeah.
who Sunny is.
Yeah.
And, who
I
that
just, I
real-
just want to say this because I give her the credit of letting us narrate it as truly we can be close to the facts.
Right.
So
So it's very interesting that we actually on Z5 have a show called The Story, and then we have The Story, which is fantastic, right? It's fantastic.
And very few people have the strength and the thing to go out there and actually put your life out
Right.
there the way it is.
It
with
is. Or completely insane.
Yeah. No, we have to give it to her for that, for letting us narrate her script, her life, her thing without it being. You tend to obviously have biased opinions on a lot of things, which
Right.
she never influenced us to do.
Wow.
Which is the beauty of this show. It is.
Did it
as
ever
how
happen
it
while you were
was.
filming? You were like, no, let's remove this part. Did it ever happen?
Many times.
Many times? Okay. Nice.
But my first reaction to a lot of the things that were written, and then when we were sitting there and actually doing it, and I was so thankful that everyone else around me started saying the same thing that I was saying. And then all of a sudden our scenes, you know, sort of morphed into something completely different,
Wow.
which was the truth. And I kept saying, no, but this is what happened. I don't understand this. You can't put this in there. This didn't happen. This is not the way that my family was, or this is not what my father would say, or this is not what my mother would say. And I had to bite my tongue so many times. But I was so happy that everybody, the entire Vora family was feeling the same way I was. And then Adi felt the same way, and then Karan felt the same way, and then the entire crew was like, yes, this is correct.
Right.
Sometimes when you write something on paper, it's not always what ends up being shot.
So I have this one last question before we open the bar, before we thank each one of you for being here. And I think I'll start with you because you haven't really spoken and you're very shy. So this is your chance. Please take this mic and tell us, after being associated with this beautiful journey, do you now truly believe that reality is stranger than fiction?
most definitely is.
Yes? See, he finally spoke one sentence. Tell us, Sunny, do you think reality is stranger than fiction? Or this could happen to anybody?
I think that everybody has their own story, their own struggles, their own things in life that they have a hard time getting through,
Right.
that destroys them, that breaks their spirit, but also makes them happy and gives them strength. Every single person out there has their own story that, you know, maybe they don't get to tell. And I get to tell my story. And, you know, it's a crazy emotional journey. And I'm really happy and I'm really proud that Z is taken on this challenge. And Shireen, everybody at Eye Candy for being so supportive and sticking to the story and exactly what we wanted to shoot and the story
I know,
that we
where is
wanted to
Shireen?
tell. Yeah.
Shireen, we've
Shireen,
heard Shireen's
Akash,
name so
Joy.
many-
Yes.
Where are you
Kishorji.
guys?
Few years.
Yeah.
And in that few years,
Yeah.
the only company, which is Z, has taken on this story to be exactly how we had envisioned it.
Yes.
And this is exactly the partner that we would want to share this story because anybody else would have destroyed it.
And I have no other better way or more higher note to end this interaction with. Congratulations, Z. Congratulations, Z5. Congratulations to the entire team who's put the Z5 originals together. Congratulations to you, Sunny. And I'm sure we're going to see a Karanjeet Kaur that we've never seen. And after this, we're going to be like, ah.